so bloody different riding this beast. It has a quick shifter. The auto blipper is smooth. Wow, this is a fucking monster. Fuck the surge. The 10R gets this new suspension, the Showa one. I think big piston, balance free fork, something like that. And the front end feels so fucking stable. The auto blipper is so smooth. And the Brembo M50 calipers give you so much fucking confidence. The roads are pretty fucking shitty around here. So my friend Nikhil, I think he just activated the auto blipper, and oh my god, that thing is smooth. Like, you just don't need to use the clutch. The only time you're using a clutch is when you're stationary and moving out. Oh, it's loud. I'm in love with the auto blipper. Back in the city. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. I hope you liked this one, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye bye. इतना चलाया ना मेरा पीठ दर्द कर रहा है अभी. Beautiful SC can. Fucking loud. हाँ?
ब्लिपर मस्त है ना.
मज़ा आ गया. ऑटो ब्लिपर में तो मज़ा आ गया. Fuck. Wow. Okay guys, see you next time. Bye bye.